in his late 80s, my father-in-law went to the DML to renew his driver's license. It was old and what expired. So at one point during the road test, he approached a four-way stop. A four-way stop. Looked to his left and cruised right through the stop sign. Man, this guy was crazy, man. He just cruised right through the stop sign. Then this frightened inspector was like, "Damn, man, what got into you? Sir, why didn't you look to your right?" Then my father-in-law calmly shook his head. He was like, "Man, that was mom's side." You feel me? Yeah. If that was funny, make sure you comment down below. Tell me what you like about it. Please help me come up with the title to that little story of mine. You feel me? Let's go to what brought us today. Hey, I don't normally make many promises, but this is a promise. By the end of you watching this video here, if you walk through the steps I've already taken you through, the 3 steps, you will have my certainty that the next trades you take for the next week, for the next month, for this whole year will do very well. So make sure you listen to me. So as I was saying, price does not spend too much time below equilibrium. Price does not stay too much time below equilibrium. Remember, you want high odds trades, high probability trades. So if we have a bullish market like this one, if you have a bullish market, we look for impulsive swings or price swings on daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm going to go to examples in this very video or the next video, because this may be too long already. Yeah, I want to keep them short and precise so that you guys enjoy each and every step that I'm talking about. So if you're dealing with a daily time frame, you do not need much time on charts, because you're in a daily time frame, man. If you're at work, you don't need your bosses to catch you taking time away from your work and you're in the charts. Yeah, you have to have like time to concentrate on other things. So the best buys come at equilibrium. The best buys come at equilibrium or less. Remember, I'm going to take you through, guys, examples. And if you do not understand anything in these examples here, I'll not make promises, but you will have to understand everything. I have conviction, 100% conviction that you're going to take. This is priceless information. So the market rallies and takes out. Okay, market always rallies and takes out equal highs and equal lows in the market. So you all know that. This is not based on Fibonacci. The banks will not buy until price has reached equilibrium, as I've told you in the previous example of steak and meat, $10 and $8. So it will not buy until price is at equilibrium or below. The algorithm will kick in at buy mode at equilibrium here. The algorithm will kick in straight away. Yeah. So if you're at discount, okay, let me give you guys a simple analogy. Because someone may ask, what if it's a consolidation at discount? Remember, after consolidation, there's always an expansion. And what's the purpose of an expansion? Let me say this is a daily time frame, so maybe on a 1 hour time frame there's a consolidation here. After the consolidation, there's always an expansion, and the purpose of an expansion is to take out the previous highs in the market. That's the purpose of an expansion: to take out the previous highs in the market in a buy side market. You feel me? So at discount, when the market ranges, wait for the stop hands. Of course, we're in a daily time frame, but on lower time frames, you will see too many discounts here. Wait for the turtle soup to form, then the market will rally to the upside. The market will surely rally to the upside. Yeah. So you wait for the deep discount is 61.8 to 79.8. That's a sweet spot. So the market will not respond to indicators. Here, the moving averages, what these momentum indicators. the market will reflect what the indicators will reflect what the market has already done. I hope you guys are at par. I hope you guys are understanding this concept here. This is sacred. I wish I not told anyone this. But as I always tell you guys, I'm not selling anything to you. I'm here to provide value so that you can use it, make a lot of money, and join the 1%. You have a duty to honor your ancestors through achievement. And one more thing, we always take profits once price goes above a previous high, a previous high. That's why I have my TP1 and TP2 levels, which I'm going to be explaining to you guys in a few. So let's go down to the examples, either in this video or in the next video. So let's go. So traders, I want to make this incredibly simple, following the 3-step process that we talked about in the previous video. So make sure you subscribe. In fact, I'm going to make this so short, so simple to understand. You're gonna grow consistently. You're going to make a lot of money. But I have nothing to sell to you. I'm here to provide value. I want you guys to join the 1%. But if you fail to understand this simple concepts here, discount, equilibrium versus discount, it's very simple. If you fail to understand, it's going to be the reason you will quit. In fact, I've grown very many accounts. Y'all have seen the examples I've taken through, the live examples I've taken through, guys. That being said, I can't wait to help you grow.